Hello, my name is Lee. My channel is Lee Work at Home. Today I am presenting to you a company that is hiring for data entry operators. The company is Jobscan. Jobscan is a staffing company that is relatively new since 2013. This company is still young but growing rapidly in their hometown of Seattle. Based in SoDo. They are looking for data entry specialists to help with a variety of data entry tasks. This is a remote position with flexible working hours. You'll be working closely with the marketing and sales teams, CEO, and CTO within a startup environment to help scale and grow the company. Compensation for this role is $12 to $15 per hour. What you'll be doing: reviewing and updating data sets for accuracy from a variety of online sources. Extracting and compiling relevant information from websites, documents, and other sources into lists, interfaces, and machine-readable formats as required by the project managers. Thinking critically about how to ensure quality of data, then executing at scale. What you'll need: ability to read English at a comprehensive level. Good understanding of Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. The ability to search and browse the Internet effectively. Excellent time management skills. A great, will-do, attitude and ability to work within a small team. What you need to have: proficient in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. A solid understanding of how to gather small pieces of information from the Internet. Benefits and perks include competitive salary plus stock options, flexible schedule, flexible PTO, 401k plus match, medical, dental, vision, and life insurance, and full office closure the last week of the year. And they offer a internet and remote technology stipend. As they continue to grow, they are always adding more benefits and perks for their team. At this time, they are only considering candidates who are authorized to work in the United States without an employer sponsorship. Thanks for joining me today to hear of the non-phone data entry position working with Jobscan. Until the next current job opening, enjoy your day.